In a previous video, we showed you what you can do with your RankingBall points, how to transfer them over to the Keen Wallet app, and what cool stuff you can spend your RankingBall points on. But rather than just tell you about it, how about I show you? In my account, I now have roughly 30,000 points. And looking back, I wasn't doing anything special, I was just playing in my free time. I would play on the subway, on the bus, when I was on break. Anytime I had a little bit of free time, I would play, submit a board. And eventually, over time, it just got to this point. Even I was surprised. Now, when you exchange your RankingBall points over to the Keen Wallet app, it converts it into GST. GST is the currency you use when you purchase things in the app. So right now, 240 RankingBall points equals 1 GST. And with my 30,000 points, I have about 125 GST. So if you have a similar amount of points that I have, I've made a list of some things you can get with around 30,000 RankingBall points. Number 1, 7 copies of GTA 5. So if I'm gonna buy a game, I'm gonna buy GTA. And what makes GTA 5 different from the other games in the series is that it has online multiplayer. So you can buy 1 copy of GTA, or you can buy 7 copies, keep 1, and give the rest to your friends. Because the friends that play together, stay together. These are facts. Number 2, 2 $50 Xbox Live gift cards. So like I said earlier, GTA 5 now has online multiplayer. So if you already have the game, just get some Xbox Live gift cards, get in on the action, and let the trash talking begin. Number 3, 25 14-day trial passes to Xbox Live. Yes, that's right, 25 of them. And if you think that's too much, by all means, give them to your friends. Number 4, 2 $50 gift cards to either Google Play Store or iTunes Store. Just one $50 gift card can get you a lot at either one of these stores. For example, we're talking 5 months of Google Play or Apple Music, or 38 individual songs, or 3 movies. And they even got the latest titles. They got Joker, Avengers Endgame, and the recent Academy Award Best Picture winner Parasite. 3 movies for just 1 gift card. And you got 2 of them. And with this kind of buying power, you don't even need to steal your neighbor's Wi-Fi anymore. And if you just so happen to be in Singapore, you can get a complete spa treatment for the day. Or with these points, you can book your own personal yacht, complete with captain and crew, for 1 out of the 4 hours. So technically, with the Keen Wallet app, even you can live like they did in Crazy Rich Asians. So those are the top things that I would get with my 30,000 points. But it doesn't matter how much or how few points you have. There are still plenty of things to get with your RankingBall points. So if there's a prize that you won, you know what to do. Submit your boards and win big. There's new games every day, so don't miss out. Remember, the more you play, the more you can win.